Hey, what's up guys? Today I have a skateboard unboxing. Another one, yeah. And this is some independent trucks because I need some wider trucks for my new Baker board. I filmed a unboxing for that board, but it somehow got deleted. Cause so it's an 8-inch board. So I need some wider trucks. I had the small Thunder trucks, and I've bought some independent, cost them. Yeah, just gonna go right into this shit. Yeah. Yep. So first thing is some stickers. These cost like, I don't know, more than $5, and you get them for free. You can buy them for $5 or $3, I don't know, and you get them for free. Some candy and the trucks. Wow, nice. And these are the hollow axles. You can probably, see it right there. And the hollow kingpin, see that too. So yeah, pretty light. And the other one, so the trucks, very nice. Even though they were lightweight, they're still heavier than my Thunder trucks, but I just got to get used to that. So yeah, I'll soon upload some of my skateboarding. I'm not that good, but I enjoy my skateboarding, and I don't care if I suck. I don't care if I have bad style, I just like skating. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day.